Pre-qualified. So how do you get pre-approved for a home loan? You need to take time to get your free credit scores. Knowing where you stand before reaching out to your lender is very important. Credit Karma, Equifax, and other credit apps are available on your app store. They're not as in-depth as the credit a lender will pull, but it will give you an idea where you stand, and it does not affect your credit score. Check your credit history and clean up anything that's in question by calling the creditor. Make sure the items on your credit are yours and not someone else's. Gather your income, your financial accounts, and personal information. You need to interview more than one lender. What's the difference between being pre-qualified or pre-approved? Getting pre-qualified for a mortgage is a very fast process where the lender takes a quick look at your financial situation based on the information that you give them and lets you know what your loan might look like. Being pre-approved for a loan, on the other hand, is a much more in-depth process and is a stronger approval than a pre-qualification. Your income, employment, credit, and assets have all been verified by the lender. Once you start looking at homes, your agent will want to make sure you have met with the lender, and most agents prefer a pre-approved letter rather than a pre-qualification. When you get ready to submit an offer, your approval will be sent over with the offer. Wouldn't it be better to have a strong approval rather than a weak pre-qualification? Is it better to go with a mortgage broker or a bank? That's a good question. In general, if your loan is straightforward transaction and your credit, income, and assets are strong, you may be able to save time and money with a bank. If your application involves some challenges, a broker who knows which lenders would most likely be flexible can help. Ultimately, you want to work with whomever you are comfortable with. If you're a veteran and you're going to use your VA benefits, make sure that that lender is well versed in those types of loans. Same goes for down payment assistance and closing cost assistant loans. Also ask what type of loans a lender primarily works on. If the lender is a refinance lender or a commercial specialist, then I'd look for another lender. Ask questions and take notes. How long have they been in the business? Are you licensed in my state? If you're buying a manufactured home, is that lender familiar with manufactured housing loans? What are your fees? How long will the process take? What programs do you offer? Once you've spoken with at least 3 lenders, make a decision and set an appointment to do your loan application. This will help get the process started. When your lender gives you an idea of the amount of home you can buy, then the fun begins. By this time, you should have a pretty good idea what agent you're going to use. Get with your agent and start looking for homes. Thanks for watching. Until next time,